Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Kind of a random video because I'm running right now, so that's why you hear my voice all like, jumpy, exhausted. But news just came out that Goldman Sachs dumped about $15 billion on Friday um, of generally local stocks and global stocks. So it seems like Goldman Sachs was the reason you actually saw this initial dump on Friday. With the 401, dumping all the way down to where we are now. And in the report, it shows $15 billion dump on Friday, um, which I think was August 31st. The report actually shows that they are looking to dump 47 billion more dollars this week if stocks do not move to the upside. But again, just the fact that the quant machines are on. Just wanted to get my Bluetooth back on, just in case, But the fact is, their quant machines are already positioned to sell. So, even if you do run back up here, I think their systems are ready to deploy and offload those $47 billion worth of stock to the market. So I do think that any sell-offs right now or any runs to the upside are going to be sold off, especially if Goldman comes out and says that if this week the SPY trades sideways, they're going to be selling off, $47 billion in stocks. And again, if they're willing to sell down here, and we have a push to the upside, why wouldn't they sell up here? So, you know what? Looking at my last video with this new information, it seems like big funds, big banks, they want to offload. They want to offload as quickly as possible because to have us in one day go from $400 down to essentially $390 on a $15 billion sell-off. If we have a 47, just go to 50 billion, right? If we have a $50 billion sell-off from Morgan Stanley, and we had a $10 push down from only a $15 billion sell-off, that means that for the most part, 30, 45, we can have, if they do sell $15 billion worth of assets, it means that we could see a huge $30 leg down from the SPY, which from these levels would take us down to 379, like 365, back to previous lows, which is kind of insane. So just a really, really new informative piece of advice. If Goldman Sachs is looking to sell off huge positions, I'd imagine the rest of the banks and the hedge funds are looking at doing the same and are looking at accelerating these sell-offs. Use this information however you want. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.